This is what it looks like. You can almost even taste it to see if you have enough salt and flavor. Princess jam. Please comment, like, subscribe. Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how I season my fish before I cook it. First step, vinegar. You're just going to wash it with some vinegar. Throw the water on. Now these are my seasoning of choice. So you see here I have 4 cloves of garlic, sazon with no MSG, garlic salt, dash, rosemary, oregano, thyme, 1½ bell pepper, half a onion, and half of a lemon. I'm going to prepare the seasonings now. So I'm gonna crush the garlic. Onion. Peppers. Let's squeeze the lemon. So we take the juice from the lemon. Now here we go. So we're just gonna add the lemon juice, bell pepper, garlic, onion. Then we're just gonna we just add in some of the sazon with no MSG. That will give it salt. Garlic salt. Not too much. Dash. I'm gonna measure it. Half a tablespoon. Okay, that's the thyme. I just sprinkle some of it on there. Oregano. Rosemary. Now you do not want too much rosemary in there, okay, but you're just gonna give it some. So you're just gonna use this teaspoon here and you pour a little, like about half a teaspoon. See, not too much, half a teaspoon. And And then now I have put all my seasoning in here, so I'm just gonna mix it well. Guys, remember, you're just seasoning, so the rest of the flavor will be added when you are cooking. If you taste it, you should know if you need to add more or not, right? So I've mixed it well. Let me give you a closer look so you could see what it looks like. Guys, I saved the best for last. Bay leaf, 2 leaves. Now if they're dry, so you're just gonna crush them and put them in there. And you mix it again. Wow. Now, let's take a closer look. This is what it looks like. You can almost even taste it to see if you have enough salt and flavor, you see? That's what it looks like. It looks good even if it's not cooked yet. This is how I season my fish. You can use any type of seasoning you want, but it's always good to season your meat or fish before you cook them, so you can have the salt in there so it gives it a better flavor, and the seasonings, of course. So I only used what I had at home. You could buy fresh seasonings if you have, and you can also use that. This is Jen's Kitchen. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you all soon on my next video. Later.